Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is just an update about BRPR. We have been trading with this account since last year from August 22nd, and we closed this account on March 22nd. That's almost 7 months that we completed with this expert advisor. So we decided to trade it on some other account with some different kind of setting if needed. Okay. Okay, because 7 months is a good time to judge the profitability, consistency, and all the statistics of an expert advisor. So this is just an update that we close this account. So probably you would not able to get an update on this account further. On August 22nd we started. Okay, and August and March 22nd I think we closed. Okay, we started with 500. It is showing 792. No, actually it is 501 that we started with. I'm not sure why it is showing deposit 792. It is 501 that we started with. Okay, and so that is the reason it is like showing 15,1508.86 as a profit. Okay, and the highest was around 2004 that we went last week when we closed this account. Okay, otherwise it should be 2200 something, right? 2300 something. So it is 500 that we started with, and the maximum equity went up to 2004.01, and we withdraw all the amount. We made a withdrawal of 2300. I think like it is not showing the exact number. Okay, well anyways, this is what the statistics is. If you want to see the growth graph, this is this one. The balance graph, this one. This is showing the balance because we made a withdrawal, so that is the reason it went down. Okay, because we made a withdrawal. And in the profitability graph you can see like this, and this is the drawdown graph. Okay, so in a span of 7 months, monthly it was around over 21%, and the maximum drawdown was 42.14%. The recommendation, the minimum recommendation to trade with this expert advisor is 1000 US dollar. Okay, and ideally or 1200 to 1500 would be better. So we started trading with 501 US dollar. Like if you are not sure, like if you are coming to my video for the first time, then probably you can watch the previous videos, and I have shown each and everything in each of the video that we started with 501 later on. Okay, maybe this deposit or something, because since after making the withdrawal we kept some amount over here, then we transferred to other account, and maybe this is showing just because of that. No problem. Okay, so this is the statistics. This week 0%, this month 0%, this year 37.0%, 37.01%. Okay, so this week and this month is 0 because we are not trading with this expert advisor from last 1 week, more than a week. Okay, and this is the statistics. You can just check it out. Okay, there are no open trades because we closed this account. And in 2023 we made around 17.52% in August. In September we made 34%. In October we made 31.83%. In November we made 21.02%. In December we made 17.2%. In 2024 in January we made 14.39%. In February it's around 13%, and in March we closed the account a little bit early, like around 7 to 8 or maybe 10 days back. So we made almost 6.07%. Okay, this is the statistics of 2023 and 2024 after 7 months. If you have any question, you can contact me by email or telegram, or any expert advisor videos that I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. In case if you have any question, feel free to contact me. I have already included the my FX book link in the video description as well as you can contact me by email or telegram. So all the details are there in the video description. Kindly have a look, and please join my Telegram channel as well, where I post some information occasionally. So you will not get bothered by the notifications very frequently. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to give you an update on this. So probably we will be trading with this expert advisor on some other account, and once it complete around 2 to 3 months or maybe 1 month or maybe any considerable period of time, then we will create a video and we'll share across the MyFX book as well. So far this is what the update is. Thank you very much for watching, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get notified in case if I upload any new video about this or any other expert advisor in the future. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family.